I'd like to show you today this new app that I've created about generating schema snippets for various pages as you want. It is AI powered and it works in bulk. So basically you enter a bunch of URLs here, then you select the schema that you want. Any schema all the schemas are supported. If you have a zoo, and then you'll see the relevant properties that belong to the type that you've selected, and so on. So let me show you a couple of examples that I've worked with. So here's a page of an event, seoweek.org, and this is the URL, and I said I want an event schema, and I want these properties to be extracted. Name, description, start, end date, organizer, location, and sponsor. So let's see how well, it was able to figure it out. So context, type, name is correct, description is correct, start date and end date. Here we have April 28th to May 1st. That's great. The organizer is extracted as SEO week. That's not true. iPull Rank is the agency creating this event, but it's not clearly listed there, so it's not a big issue. It was able to figure out the location. It's a place, Levant 641 Midtown, and New York City, New York. There's a minor issue with the sponsor, although not a big issue because even though the sponsors are mentioned here, they're not listed as text, so we can know them. We have their icons and links to their sites, but not listed as text. So it's not a big issue. I think it's a very good case. This is another example where I gave it 3 URLs of 3 books on Amazon, and this is a book schema, and I wanted these properties. So this is the first book, the name, the edition, publisher, number of pages, all these things. This one has multiple authors, so you can see this is a list, type name. This is a book by yours truly, and it's about creating interactive data apps, just like all the apps in on this website, which you can see, and I can you can check on the landing page. I just checked that it's all correct. The published date, the organization, number of pages, the aggregate rating, it's all correct. Here's the aggregate rating, and so on. So far, I think this is the best example. Let's look at an example that's not so perfect. So these are recipes from 3 different domains. The first one quite failed. There's a bunch of nulls here. Even though this page, all recipes, has a lot of all of the information formatted very nicely, so we can check why it failed. This one is a slightly better case. We have the ingredients extracted, how much cocoa, powdered sugar, etc. It wasn't able to pull out the nutrition information. Prep time and cook time and cooking method were extracted properly. This one is the best case, where you have the ingredients and we have the nutrition, which is interesting. We have how many calories, protein, carbohydrate, etc., prep time, cook time, and baking method. So this is how this app works. I hope you try it, you like it, and if you have any feedback, please let me know, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.